Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all you drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the DJI Mini 3 and the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The DJI Mini 3 is priced at $798, while the DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at a more affordable $339. If budget is a concern for you, the Mini 2 SE might be the better option. Both drones are designed to be lightweight and compact, weighing under 249 grams. This makes them perfect for taking on your adventures, whether it's a hike, road trip, or a day at the beach. They're easy to carry around and won't weigh you down. When it comes to battery life, the DJI Mini 3 takes the lead with up to 38 minutes of flight time. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers a respectable 31 minutes of flight time. However, if you opt for the combo package, the Mini 2 SE gives you a total of 93 minutes of flight time with 3 additional intelligent flight batteries. Now let's talk about the camera quality. The DJI Mini 3 boasts a 4K HDR video capability, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots with crystal clear details in both highlights and shadows, even in low light conditions. The DJI Mini 2 SE, while it doesn't offer HDR, still provides excellent image and video quality for its price range. Both drones come with their own set of special features. The DJI Mini 3 offers true vertical shooting, allowing you to easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. It also has quick shots, which enables you to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture panoramic views. The DJI Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, has simplified operations, making it beginner-friendly. It also offers a 10 km max transmission range compared to the Mini 3's 6 km range. When it comes to wind resistance, both drones hold up well. The DJI Mini 3 is resistant to winds up to 38 km per hour, level 5, ensuring stable flight even in gusty conditions. Similarly, the DJI Mini 2 SE also performs reliably in winds up to 38 km per hour, allowing you to fly and capture content with peace of mind. Based on online reviews, the DJI Mini 3 is praised for its camera capabilities, including clear and high-quality footage. Reviewers also appreciate the DJI Fly app and the Mini 3's extended flight time. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is highly recommended for its stability, improved range, and beginner-friendly operations. Both drones receive positive reviews overall. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the DJI Mini 3 and the DJI Mini 2 SE. While the Mini 3 offers superior camera quality and extended flight time, the Mini 2 SE provides a more budget-friendly option without compromising on important features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying.